welcome to my channel Cooking Crash by Sheetal. I'm back with a tasty recipe with the king of fruits, mangoes. Mango Kulfi, the perfect summer dessert without any condensed milk or cream, a simple and tasty recipe. Subscribe for more interesting recipes. So let's get started. Take a saucepan and add milk. I'm using around 500 milliliters of milk. On a medium-low flame, boil the milk until it reduces to 1/3. You can even measure the milk before and after to make sure it is reduced to 1/3. It is very important that you stir constantly to avoid the milk from burning. Almost after 20 minutes, now that the milk is reduced, I'm adding sugar to it, 20 grams. Adjust the sweetness according to the sweetness of your mangoes. To this, I am going to add cardamom powder for amazing flavor, crushed almonds, some crushed pistachios, mix them all well. Soak few saffron strands in warm milk and add it to this mixture. Let it boil for few minutes and turn off the stove. Transfer this mixture into another bowl and let it cool down. Now let's start making mango puree. So the mangoes I'm using in this recipe are from farmfreshmango.com, one of the best and tasty mangoes I've tasted this season. You can check the link in the description if you want to place your order for mangoes. They're extremely tasty and they deliver anywhere in the UK. Let's add chopped mangoes into a blender and make a puree out of it. Add mango puree into the cool mixture and mix it really well. Amazing, see the beautiful texture. I mean, it's so tasty, you can just eat it as it is. I'm going to use ice cream molds to make the kulfis, but if you don't have them, don't worry, you can just cover the bowl with a plastic and then freeze it for 6 to 8 hours and serve it as scoops. Now let's fill in the molds with the mixture. And then we insert the stick and just close the lid tightly. And we freeze it for minimum 6 hours or overnight is the best. So this is next day, so let them sit for 5 minutes and then we slowly remove from the mold. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm placing this on the ice. Now you can see this. This is so amazing. It's so flavorful. You can feel the flavor of cardamom, the nuts, pistachios, almonds, saffron, the mango. Everything is intact and super tasty. It is so simple to make. I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy. See you with another recipe. Bye bye.